Hello, happy people. Today I've decided to do some slime again, and I'm gonna do with shampoo and sugar. I got the sugar ready here, I got the shampoo, and let's start it. Now I will put little sugar. Then we mix slowly till the sugar is dissolved all on the shampoo, and then we're gonna put it on the fridge for 24 hours, and I will show you after 24 hours what is happened. Oh, hello again. That's 24 hours after we done the slime with the shampoo and sugar. We tried to do it. I leave it on the fridge. I put it on the fridge for 24 hours. And now I take it off. I leave it for 10-15 minutes out to can see, to don't be so cold, and to see if it was okay or no. It's not so bad. Yeah.